So this is my old printer, looks like this. Probably a lot of people know that model, and this is the new one. So that's how you see it's totally big difference in the size. This one is nice and compact, don't take too much space. And the big difference between old one and this one is that to print my stencils from this machine, first of all I need to print stencil on normal paper, then I need to put the paper here and copy printer paper. And this one straight I can print without copying on normal paper, and I can print straight from the application. And especially I like the application because make me a lot of more variation, because I can change easy the size, prepare my stencil much more comfortable and much more easier. So I'm really happy with that. I'm gonna keep this one as backup anyway. It's good to keep, always to feel more secure if something goes broken, to have second spare, of the machines. The same like if you got like one tattoo machine, I think is not good. You need to have backup. So yeah, and yesterday I print out my stencils for the fake skins. They sent me this copy, which is like, everything is done on the paper, not original like Spirit, but they sent me few sheets just to try, and I'm really happy with the results, because the resolution of printing is 203 dpi, which is kind of cool to compare to this one. The most DPE contain Brava Pocket printer, but it's really expensive. Costs like about 500 or 600 euro, yeah. So and for this one I spent just 85 euro or 89. So it's kind of cheap, and really I don't need that fancy stuff to make good tattoos, because the stencil is part of the job, but the second part of the job is your hand, isn't it? So yeah, I'm really impressed because I tried to find a way how to make the stencils better, and one time I decided to not even try to make stencil. I just tried to print out stencil as the picture, and that's my result. I'm really happy with this. That's really good quality, so much details. I'm not sure yet how that's gonna be like when I'm gonna stick out on the fake skin, but for now everything so far looking very good. So now next step, I'm gonna prepare my fake skins. Some of them are cheap, some of them are branded. So you will see, what's the differences as well, yeah? By the way, if you got this old type of printer, if you struggle with some kind of problems, so my troubleshoot, if you got like, for example, extra 2 lines horizontal on the paper, you can clean that, bust it. You can open that here, like this part, and take this one out and just clean the surface here, yeah, with the alcohol wipe, and this roller as well. Or you can take this out and clean, yeah, and just simply put it back and close. We're sure if you got this type of model, you're gonna have some issues later on. So that's the solution. And okay, let's not waste time, straight jump into sticking out the stencils.